What the fuck is up, everybody? We're making pulled beef sliders. Don't fuck it up. Chuck roast. Salt generously. Why is there an echo? Because I got robbed and they took all of my furniture. Ripping hot pan. Avocado oil. Sear your meat until it looks like this. Back into the pot. Obviously the juices are gonna go back in. Chop 3 onions. Same pot. 6 cloves of garlic. 1 liter of tomato sauce. 8 cups of beef stock. Cover it with aluminium. Oven, 450 degrees for 4 hours. I would use a pressure cooker, but they stole that too. Now we make our sauce. 1 cup of ketchup. Why wouldn't you make your own ketchup? Why don't you go fuck yourself? 1 cup of packed brown sugar. 6 tablespoons of Worcestershire. 2 tablespoons of sweet smoked paprika. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. It should look like this. I just burnt the fuck out of my hand for anyone that was wondering. It should look like this. If it doesn't fall apart like your life has, it's not fucking ready. Pull all the beef. Barbecue sauce goes in. Cook this on low heat for 30 minutes until it looks like this. Coleslaw is the easiest thing you can make. 1 tablespoon of mayo, a pinch of salt, a couple of drops of apple cider vinegar. Mix and let it sit for 30 minutes. Toast some brioche buns, pulled beef, slaw, crispy onions.